most gracious, honorable judges, respected teachers, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. I would like to speak about the importance of education. Good and proper education plays a great role in shaping our future and professional career. It helps us to develop personality and earn recognition and respect in the family and society. We can say that education is socially and personally an essential part of the human life. We cannot ignore the importance of education in our life at any cost, as we see daily in the society lots of social issues just because of the lack of proper education. Social issues like